Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your Honda snowblower running like new? The Stens Paddle Set offers a perfect replacement for worn-out paddles on Honda HS521 and HS621 models. Designed to meet OEM standards, this 6-piece set ensures your machine performs at its best when you need it most. I recently swapped out my old paddles with this Stens set, and the difference was clear right away. Each paddle measures 10.5 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 5/16 inch thick, just like the originals. The fit was seamless, and the quality felt solid. Preparing the bolts with a penetrant the day before made the installation smooth, taking only about 25 minutes to replace all 6 paddles. It's a straightforward upgrade that saves you time and frustration. What makes the Stens Paddle Set stand out is the trusted reputation behind the brand. Stens parts are known among professional dealers for delivering OEM quality repairs, so you're not just buying a replacement, you're investing in durability and reliability. If you own a Honda hydrogen sulfide or HS621 snowblower, this paddle set is worth a look if you want to restore peak performance without the premium price of OEM parts. Ready to extend the life of your snowblower and tackle winter with confidence? Try the Stens Paddle Set when you're ready. It's an easy, cost-effective solution that keeps your machine running smoothly season after season.